3 महीने पहले श्रुति मैम का ड्राइंग कोर्स ज्वाइन किया था। जब ज्वाइन किया था तभी मेरे को पर्सपेक्टिव ड्राइंग्स नहीं आते थे। ज्वाइन करने के बाद 3 महीने में ही मैं पर्सपेक्टिव सारा सीख चुका हुआ भी।
Aptitude was taken by Anajay sir. He's very good at that, and he whatever questions he asks generally comes in the examination questions paper, which was very great for us. Learning from such a great experienced teacher.
The very to the point content, the study material, the PDFs, the ebooks, and the mock test papers are just effective. And moreover, the questions that I just practiced before the test were there in the NATA 2022 examinations.
And in 1 month, they prepared me so well that I could qualify NATA's first attempt. But even with the changed pattern, the new pattern, they prepared us even better for the next attempt, and all the live classes, all the weekly quizzes were strictly according to the new pattern. The teachers were also very cooperative and they used to answer our doubts 24/7.
I will really recommend you guys to join the course, which will help you guys because it had helped me a lot. And thank you Shruti Di for teaching us.
I took many demos of various institutes, but I ended up at Shruti Ma'am's institute, and it was the best decision I ever made.
तो मैंने ज्वाइन किया तो मेरा सबसे वीकेस्ट पॉइंट जीके वो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से करवाया था, एंड हिस्ट्री तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे से करवाया था। लाइक एक बार पढ़ा है और पूरा याद रह गया था।